Today I will show you how to scrape leads from LinkedIn search to Google Sheets or to a database. I already scraped these ones, so what you will do, the first thing is we need to find a search query, for example CEOs in the United Arab Emirates. Once we have this, the second thing we need to do is we need to create a free account on ZeroWork. There is an affiliate link down in the description. It would help the channel a lot if you would use that link. After you installed ZeroWork, you can install the Taskbot, which is another link in the description. And this is actually the Taskbot that we will install. There's actually only two things we need to do. First is we need to copy the URL of the query that we would like to scrape. You can put this in open link, so it will open this link. What it will do then, it will loop through the different profiles, it will scrape them all, and then it will also go to the next page until it's on the last page. And on the last page, the Taskbot will stop. So for example, I run that once and I have around 1010 results, because there are 100 pages with 10 results each. And it also has the first and the 100th. Then what we also need to do is we need the Taskbot to be able to log into the account. You can do that by installing the Chrome extension cookie editor. There is also a link in the description. You can export the cookies, copy them as JSON, and in settings of the ZeroWork agent, you can paste the cookies inside. Once you paste the cookies inside and you've set the URL, you're actually ready to go. Now, the leads will just be put in a ZeroWork table. You can always export it as an Excel file or convert it to Google Sheet. When you convert it to a Google Sheet, make sure the Google Sheet you connect has the right columns. That's very important. So I will just run it to let you guys see. So what will happen, because I added the cookies and I opened I put the right link inside, it will just open an incognito tab where my LinkedIn is already logged in, and it goes to the URL that I put it up, and now it will start scraping all the leads. So if we see here in the thing, it's just scraping all the leads. And it will actually just continue until it's finished. Like here you see it tapped page next. I will maybe wait 1 second more. So here it taps the button next, and then it scrapes again. So it scrapes, it's now already page 3, page 4, and it's just scraping all the leads. I will just stop the bot now. And like you can see, now here we have all the leads inside of the table, and we can always download them or convert them to Google Sheets. How this Taskbot works, so it opens the link, it checks if it sees like the profiles, if it sees new profile. It will scroll down also to make sure all the profiles are loaded. What it will do then is it will mark actually the one profile. So it will say like, hey, I marked this profile, and then it will save within this profile the name, the title, the place, the URL. So like, because within a profile we have the name of this profile, we have the title of this profile, the location of this profile. So it will mark the profile, and then it will actually here save the URL, save the name, save the title. It will also first check if there is a title, if there is a location, because not everybody has it. And after that, it will just mark the next one. And after that's done, so after it's done, there are around 10. It will check for the next button. If the next button is there, it will click it. If the next button is not there, for example, if we're on page 100, you see this next button is not available. So this next button is not here. And then it will see, okay, the next button is not here, so it will stop the automation. Or if it would find it, but for example, on the last page, there are no persons, then it will also stop. So it's not a very complicated Taskbot, but it's down below in the description. And after you scrape the leads, you can also automatically send them connection requests. You can watch the next video to do that. So thank you so much for watching these videos, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And if you would like to subscribe, that would really help the channel out. So thank you so much, and I'm very happy and grateful to do this. Bye.